Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. What an amazing time in the live trading session this morning. I'm, of course, going to give shout outs here in a moment and show you guys live P&Ls from members. And I have a little surprise for you. We have a member that was trading that was in a secluded area and using the Wi-Fi from his phone, but you're not going to believe the images of where this guy's at. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll get to it in a second. But you guys, I wanted to actually just show you guys the live action that's on the charts here this morning. This is exactly what we were looking at, and some great opportunities. So many bingos being called out on this drop down and then on this move upwards. Not only just taking the buy and sell signals, off the sell signal, playing the profit wave. This ended up running for 50 points down, and we ended up having this one here that ended up running for about 31. I am not going to say you're going to get 50 points and 30 points. That is not realistic because you're never going to know exactly where the bottom or the top is. But you know what? Along the way, just look at capitalizing on 5 points here, 5 points there, and it can really change a lot. My personal performance today that I shared with everyone, I'll show you guys if this will actually go. $96 spread over the 4 accounts. So it wasn't a massive day. I'm not going to lie. Made $384. So it's not the $600 or so that I made yesterday. But you know what? It was awesome to be able to get online. But let's just look over some profits from people today. This is one right here, $325. Another one was $862. I'm getting to some fun pictures here in a second. Multiple accounts. If you guys are trading multiple accounts, just like these people are, you spread them across multiple accounts and just let it rip. $3,300 for this one member. This is another one over $1,000 into the 4-digit club. Absolutely killing it. $1,000, and another one here, $433. Now, you guys, you got to look at these images for a second. Take a look at where this guy's trading. You're not going to believe this. Look at this, you guys. This is insane. This is his trading setup right now. This is so crazy. In a little bunker shed, laptop and a split screen here. But look at the view he has. I'm not kidding you guys. Look at that. Are you kidding me? What an incredible view that you have right outside. And then this one here. Look at that. Can you imagine waking up to that in the morning or in the evening? Dude, I want to go where he's at. You know what's so fun with this? You guys, you can do this anywhere in the world. You have an internet connection and a laptop, you can do trading. You have these metrics, you're looking at this, you can follow along. There's guys in different countries that were on the call this morning, and we're all making money together. It's just brilliant. So first off, big shout out to everyone who made money this morning. Congratulations. I'm really so happy for you guys. I want to actually go over the exact trade that I entered in that I called out on the live group this morning. And it was this trade right here. And why did I enter in on this? And let's go over some other opportunities that you could have had as well. The reason I entered right here. Now, this morning, there was a couple announcements. There was a couple calls. So we stay away from calls. We don't trade news. So we wait. And then we look at quality setups. This one right here was so perfect. This had everything in line. Background for our A+ setup. Background was red. Profit wave was stacked. It's brighter on the bottom, fainter on the top. Strong bearish Hiekin Ashi candle. That's our entry. This was my entry right away. We got that strong dump down, exited out, and took profit, and I was done. One trade and done. That's it. You could have technically taken this trade right here, played the profit wave, coming back up, and then held it even down further. That's another valid setup right here. If you didn't take that, you could have taken this signal right here. Buy signal. If you didn't take the actual buy signal, this one right here is more of the A+ quality setup. If we zoom into this, take a look. Why is this such a good trade setup? Well, right at candle close, you guys can see right here, that brighter color is on top faintly, but it is. That's your entry. Your entry can be right here. And if you're playing the profit wave and you're still holding this, you're up 30 points, 29.5. Again, I'm not here to say you're going to get all 29 points. I'd rather you just get in, take 5 or 10 points, call it a day, and then get out. That is what the most successful traders within our group are doing, and it's how people are getting their accounts and passing them and just having so much success with it. So when you're looking at these metrics, look at them, look for the quality setups, limit your trading to maybe just 1 to 2 a day, and just consecutively do that over and over and over again. Because this is the exact signals. You pull this up right now on your chart. This is what you're going to see. So I want to let you guys know too, if you guys go over to My Future Success, literally the tools, education, everything is available here for you. You can literally grab these tools for lifetime access right now. You can go over and click this link here. This will get you joined on the live calls that Ron and I do every Tuesday and Thursday, and the shout outs, the bingos, and the screenshots that you see that I just pulled up from today. That is from today's trading of people making money. Just a tip of an iceberg of people sending it over. And you guys can join. This was actually the last couple calls that we've had. So, I mean, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000. $1,900, just insane. And also, if you guys go over to send me a screenshot, if any of you go over to Take Profit Trader and end up purchasing 550K accounts, and you either use this link here on this product page, or you just put in My Future Success as a promo code, you're not only going to get the absolute lowest price that I can possibly get for you guys, but I will add you on to a free Zoom call that I do every first and third Friday of my way of giving back to you guys to go over the strategies that I'm personally using. But that is today. That is Thursday. A lot of people making money. Personally made almost $400 myself today that you guys saw. And it was just incredible. So let's see what tomorrow brings for Friday. And I will see you guys all back in the live group on Tuesday next week. Take care, guys.